Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by backing up anything tied to the number so you don't lose contacts or two-step access. Once done, call your carrier's account line or log into the secure portal. Provide account number, PIN, and photo ID to authenticate. Make sure to state you want permanent deactivation. Do not request temporary suspension. You do this because carriers require explicit intent to close service and to avoid auto-reactivation or recurring charges after cancellation. Next, follow the carrier's detailed closure flow. Have them submit the deactivation request and give you a confirmation number or email. Meanwhile, unlink the phone number from all online accounts and two-factor authentication so services don't lock you out later. Make sure to remove the SIM from phones and deregister devices related to that line. This prevents the number from remaining active through device callbacks and ensures the carrier processes a clean closure. Finally, confirm the effective deactivation date and check your final bill for residual charges. Save the carrier's confirmation. If calls or texts continue, contact support immediately with your reference ID and request escalation. Sometimes back-end systems need reprocessing. Make sure a port-out block has been applied to stop unauthorized transfers. If problems persist, file a formal complaint with the carrier's executive support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.